Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to study about fractions related to sets. Let us begin. Let us give some introduction to fractions. For example, we have set of 4 pencils. Now we have to circle a portion of the set which is equal to the fraction 1 upon 2. Now, when I say 1 upon 2, how many total parts are there? We look at the denominator. The denominator was 2 and hence we divide the 4 pencils in 2 groups. How do we do that? We take 2 pencils and 2 pencils. Now, we make 2 pencils equal to 1 group. In all, we have 2 groups. Why did we split it in 2? Because the denominator was 2. The fraction was 1 upon 2. That is 1 out of 2. So from the 2 groups, we select one group to get the fraction 1 upon 2. So students, please remember, look at the denominator. Ensure that you have that many number of groups. And then select the number of groups equal to the numerator. Let's take one more example to understand this. So we have a set of 6 crows. What should we do here? Here we have to circle a portion of set equal to the fraction 2 upon 3. Again, look at the denominator. Denominator is equal to 3. So make 3 groups of equal number of crows. Now, if we have 6 crows, how do we make 3 groups? Let's see. So, from the 6 crows, I make groups of 2 each. So, I have 1, 2 and 3. I have made 3 groups. From 3 groups, how many had to be selected? The numerator was 2. Therefore, I select 2 groups. And this big circle is my required fraction 2 out of the total groups, that is 3. So I got my required fraction, that is 2 upon 3.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.